Reordering feature. The reordering feature with ECOMSILVER is a simple but very powerful feature in the customer account area that makes it really easy for your customers to purchase from your website with the minimum amount of clicks. This will ultimately result in more monthly orders and increased average order sizes. So if your customer goes into their My Account area, which they can access in the top right hand corner of the screen, you then see on the first tab when they log in, My Orders, it lists all their orders below. They can then view the details of that order and they can reorder individual items from that previous order, or if they want to choose, they can reorder the whole list by clicking on this button just here. So we've clicked on reorder. You can see all items have then been updated in the cart with a notification in the bottom left hand corner. If you then click on the cart overview, the customer can see the items they've got. They can either increase the number or quantity of the products in the order to adjust it. They can remove from the cart, and then they can proceed through to the checkout area to actually make the order. Simple as that. So basically, the easier you make it for your customers to order from your website, the more orders they will place. Thanks for listening to this tutorial from ECOMSILVER.